me or something? Are you?
Listen, what's your name? Dorcas. I don't have time to fight today. I don't have time for fight. Hey! If you wanted to talk to me, why don't you look for me and talk to me instead of shouting my name around the compound? What?
Ego, you are talking back at me.
No,
okay?
I don't have time.
So you have to tell me how to live in my husband's house. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Ego, are you mad? I'm telling you, not Kuala. You're not Kuala. If I'm taking it out of my husband, you think I'll take it. 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 No, you think I'll take it from me. And not Kuala. If I take this from my husband, you think I'll... Mama, no, don't do this, Mama. Somebody, Mama, wake up. Mama! Somebody, go look for taxi. Go look for anything, stupid guy. Go look for something.
So you mean that girl did this to me?
Yes, so Auntie Rita, she almost killed Mama.
That girl is biting more than she can chew. She's biting more than she can chew. I don't blame her. Is it fine that I blame? Is it fine that I blame? Why would he go and bring that she-goat into the house to do this to his own mother?
It's okay.
By the way, where is he?
He said he wants to do one walk with, what's that his friend's name? I don't even know his name again. They went for a walk.
Walk. He went for a walk and left that devil with his own mother. Ego, you have to be careful in that house. Before she does something to you, you have to be very careful.
She cannot do anything. Cannot. I won't take it from her. She cannot. Yeah, she can't. She cannot.
As for my mother, she's not going back to that house.
Oh no, you want to take Mama away.
I don't want that girl to kill her for me.
Oh no, Mama is the only one comforting me.
Since Ifeanyi cannot tame that white dog, Mama is not going back to that house. No, I don't want that girl to kill her for me, people. Ifeanyi.
Do.
Yes, that she-goat, come out! And who is that person shouting my name like a mad... Rita, my friend, come out from here. Why are you shouting my name like a mad dog in my husband's compound?
Husband's compound indeed. I've heard good things about you, many stories about you. Good things, bravo, newsflash. It was good while it lasted good. But now that you've crossed the boundary, I will show you my true colors.
You, show me your true color. Before I open my eyes and close, Rita, get out of my husband's compound because I will beat you and I will...
Who did this to you?
It's not your wicked sister. Who else?
Rita did this to you?
Of course, who else? I didn't do anything to her. I didn't do anything.
Rita did this to you?
Yes. No.
Rita did this to you?
Yes.
Rita did this to you? Alright. Rita!
Apo kini ko mere kiranu yaga. Kini ko mere rapunu ya.
What gives you the right to lay your hands on my wife? Huh?
You must be very stupid. What did that demon give to you to eat?
I'm asking you for the last time. Why did you lay your filthy hands on my wife? You're here talking nonsense. Are you mad? Huh?
Did you ask that demon-possessed woman what she did to your own mother? Did you ask her?
Have you lost it? Huh?
You slapped me because of that witch? Why would you do? It's Dorcas.
Hey, get out of this. Move it. Get out.
Because of that demon. Did you ask her what she did to your mother?
Small witch. Big witch.
Why
Next time, lay your hands on these mad people.
If I come back here, you think
Touch
it's
my
before?
wife again.
Look at him, foolish man. That demon has eaten up your whole brain and you're there ranting. It's okay. Fool.
It's okay. Leave it.
Onyala, you're lucky you're my sister. You're lucky. And as for you, Ego, I'm waiting for you.
Rita,
you did not ask her what she did to your own mom.
Rita, it's okay. Because of Mama.
That's the only reason I'm leaving this idiot.
Because of Mama. Just let it go. Go back. It's okay.
You should thank his stars.
Rita, go back. Hey,
Umara.
What did she did to you? Leave her, woman bitter.
Nonsense. Huh? Nonsense. You would have told me. Huh? Huh? Nonsense. No. Where are the bruises I saw on your face? Speak to me! Did you fake all this? Oh! You faked all this!
What do you expect me to do? You expect me to sit down and watch you come and kill me because of your sisters?
What if I had killed my sister? Huh? What if I had killed my sister? Alright, tell me, what did you do to my mother?
Nothing. I didn't do anything to her. Ego and I had a little fight.
I said what happened?
Well, Ego and I had a little fight. Then, your mother tried to intervene. No. Your mother came and stood by her. Both of them now beat me up.
Both of them now beat you up? 3 of them?
They beat me up.
3 of them?
Yes, 3 of them, they beat me up.
So you had 3 women beating you up all in the same time?
Yes, 3 of them. I told you, you don't like me at all. At all.
What? Auntie, good afternoon.
Where is my dad?
He went out.
He went out to where?
He went to...
What's going on here?
Daddy, what is she still doing here?
Is that supposed to be a welcome? Peel some oranges for me.
Okay, sir. Daddy, I'm talking to you and you're walking out on me. What? You're walking out. Daddy, what in God's name is she still doing here?
Just come in.
Will you get out of this place? Out!
Yes, Auntie.
Will you stop being rude to the poor girl?
Since I got here, I've been asking one simple question, and you've literally said nothing about it.
What is it?
What in heaven's name is that girl still doing here? I thought she's supposed to be in the prison or something.
Oh, well, she is innocent. And I told the police to release her unconditionally.
I don't understand. The same girl that confessed to the police that she's been the one stealing your money has become innocent all of a sudden.
Well, she did that under duress. She confessed what she did not do when police was torturing her.
And that reminds me, why have you been the one driving yourself lately? Where is Rufus?
Here you come. He is the real thief.
Dad, I don't understand. What do you mean?
Oh, well, Rufus is the enemy within. Yes, he and his cousin taxi driver that day, they conspired and been stealing my money all this while.
Dad, I'm sorry if I should say that I can't believe this. Yes, I can't believe it, of course, because I've known they right from the days of our primary school. And he doesn't have any record of such acts, so why now?
The only thing that is constant is change. Yeah. And you may be wrong to judge a book by the cover.
Dad, there is no way I am going to believe this. I can't believe it.
Please do. He is the criminal.
Dad, I can't believe this. Dede cannot be a thief. Daddy,
You better do. You better do.
something is wrong somewhere. I can't believe this. Dede cannot be a thief. But Andy, I don't understand what Dad is up to. He's busy defending everything about that stupid girl. He got Rufus and Dede arrested for no reason. What? Andy, you know you caused this, right? You shouldn't have brought that girl here now in the first place. You shouldn't have. Brother, you have to fix this immediately.
I have told both of you I don't want to discuss this anymore. Why can't you let me be?
Dad, we cannot let this be. We can't. Because Dede and Rufus are there suffering for something they don't even know about.
Can you hear yourself? Rufus stole my money and gave to his cousin. And both of them, they were planning to abscond when they eventually get hold of my company document. And here you are talking about innocence. How insensitive are you?
Dad, how are you even sure that all these things they told you about this young man is true? Okay. Tell us, how do you get to know?
I'm not a fool. I make my findings.
Dad, I don't want it to look like I'm actually taking things so serious or so hard. But I just want you to be sure of what you are doing. I want you to be sure that you know what you just be sure about this decision that you're taking.
Akudo, please. We have a legacy to bequeath this generation, a good legacy. The society we abuse today will eventually haunt us tomorrow. So don't tell me that if you commit an offense, you pay for it. That's all.
Dad, to be sincere, I'm really confused. I am.
You shouldn't be.
Baby, I'm sure of what I'm saying. Listen, the most important thing is that we have Chief on our side. Yes, he is the authorized authority. So whatever Akudo and Andy are saying is none of our business. Okay? I love you so much.
He is their father. What if he changes his mind and dance to their tune?
Oh, babe. Stop. You worry too much. Listen, we don't have time on our side. We have to hit the next target. Okay? I love you so much. I love you. I love you, baby. Okay.
What is the next target?
Yes, come in. Cynthia, is there any problem?
Chief, I just wanted to apologize to you.
My sugar? Oh, wait. It's not your fault. That's the way they are. Always thinking they know better than me.
Chief, for some time now, things have not been smooth in the family. And I know that I'm part of the problem.
Did you steal my money?
No! Never.
Then it's not your fault. Put the blame on the doorsteps of those who stole my money. And God has disgraced them.
Daddy? Dad!
Thank you. Come in. What could I have gotten myself into? Could this have been how I would have ended up embarrassing myself, my family, and my late wife?
Dad, are you alright?
My son, I am. My heart just went out to Ego.
That Ego. Leave that girl alone. I mean, as a matter of fact, she's someone else's wife.
Do I look like I'm snatching someone's
I
wife?
never said so, but you sound like very soon you will.
My son, you will not understand.
Then go ahead. Make me to understand.
Flashback.
You mean Ifeanyi Chukwu has not seen you even in this your condition?
Mama, I'm not even bothered. Thank God I'm recovering quickly.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you're passing through this pain because of my son. I'm sorry, oh?
It's okay, Mama. Please, I have kind people in my life. Thank God for the kind of people He has brought into my life. Especially for people like...
Doctor, like I told you, that won't be a problem.
Oh, Dad, your concern is it about Iko? Or the other lady you met on your way that turns out to be her mother-in-law?
They said what goes around comes around.
How do you mean, Dad? I don't understand.
Well, it's a story I don't wish to tell now.
But I'm here. I mean, I'm not in a hurry. Go on.
My son will not understand.
Then make me understand.
My daughter, I don't know where he took that behavior from. His father was not like that. He was a very calm man, a gentle man. Huh?
Mama, honestly, there's nothing I have not done to make Ifeanyi happy. Absolutely nothing. Right, and those are exactly the same things he's looking out for other girls outside. Mama, I'm tired.
My daughter, I want to tell you something. You see, Susan, what are you doing in my house?
Susan, I come in peace. I came to see Ego. I haven't seen her in a while, so...
Fine, you have seen her, so you can go.
Mama, please, take it easy with him. He just got here.
Why are you begging me? You know your husband.
Mama,
he will not like this, so...
Chief, please, have a seat.
Oh, thank you very much.
Huh? 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 What's he doing here? What are you doing?
No,
what is he doing here?
No,
Mama, don't ask me so. Who invited this man here? Oga, who invited you here?
I did. He came to see me, and there's nothing wrong with that. He came to know how I'm faring.
He came to see you. There's nothing wrong with that.
He
came to see you.
Ifeanyi, please don't. Ifeanyi, please don't start.
He came to see you.
Ifeanyi,
And there's nothing wrong with that.
Ifeanyi, don't do this.
Ifeanyi,
please don't.
Now what? Huh? He came to see you. And there's nothing wrong with that. Mama, he came to see her.
It's not that kind
There's
of
nothing
seeing.
wrong with that.
No, it's not
Mama,
that kind
move.
of seeing.
Mama,
Unless you want to kill me.
Mama,
when this end of
Mama, he came to see you. And there's nothing wrong in that.
I've told you now, it's not that kind of seeing.
Mama, can I pass?
No.
He came to see you. And there's nothing wrong in that. Huh?
Mama, the other day at the hospital, I noticed you were very uncomfortable when you saw Chief Umi at some point. In fact, I noticed you were very uncomfortable the moment you saw each other.
That is exactly the story I want to tell you, my daughter.
Oh, so there's a story. Okay, I'm listening.
So many years ago.
Papa, I don't like this thing you and Mama are doing, no.
How will you put up a secret meeting with Ume and his family without letting me know?
Susanna, I am your father. At least you of all persons should know that I have your interest at heart. See, nobody understands you as my daughter than any other person. Listen, married Ume is going to grow the relationship we both have.
Build which relationship? I said I don't like him. I don't like that guy.
Uchike, keep quiet. I cannot deceive you. Your father cannot deceive you. Eh? You're a very beautiful girl. He will take good care of you. Neymaka, Uchiono.
We cannot deceive you.
Yes.
Marry Ume and then we'll still continue as family friends.
Papa, I don't like him. I don't love him. Is it by force?
See, Susanna, you're talking about love. When you settle down with Ume, that love will start growing.
Love on Ume exists. It doesn't exist.
It doesn't just happen.
Yes.
Were you forced to marry Papa?
Leave love.
Papa, were you forced to marry Mama?
We are not forcing you. We are bringing you closer.
Allow me make my choice. Allow me. I said I don't like that
Susanna,
guy.
you must listen to me. You are marrying Ume whether you like it or not. I have made my decision and my decision is final.
Simple. No, we cannot deceive you. Your father here is very right. Eh? You're a very beautiful girl. Eh? Look at this boy again, teacher again. Let him take good care of you. Eh, Mwa?
As if it's by force. What I don't understand is whether my father and my mother thinks I am some Christmas chicken they can easily put out there for sale. Eh?
What is the problem? What happened?
Can you imagine that they put up a secret meeting with Ume without letting me know?
What exactly is the problem? Is it that you don't love him or is it the secret meeting?
I said I don't know.
Hello, ladies.
I will embarrass this guy.
Take it easy with him, please.
Ochi, Susanna, how are you?
You're fine. Umi, where are you going to?
I'm just heading to Mazindope's house. Okay. Yeah, Susanna, my love, how are you?
What is it, Ume? What is it?
Susanna, I love you and I really want to marry you. That's all. I love you from my heart.
This thing you are asking for, is it by force?
Take it easy.
I don't understand. Susanna, there's nothing really much I'm asking from you. I really want to marry you. Just give me a chance to love you. That's all I need from you.
Ume, what sort of embarrassment is this now? Eh? Excuse me.
Susanna, at least hear him out now. Eh? He's a nice guy. Ume, don't worry. You know my friend, sometimes she's like that. I will try my best and talk her into saying yes to you, okay?
Please help me, yeah?
I will do my best.
Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.
Thank you. You too. Susanna.
That was how I lost him. 3 months later, he got married to my friend, Dochi, who he saw through school until she became a school principal before she died.
Mama, were you angry that she accepted Chief Ume?
No. I was just ashamed of my stupidity. Our children do not know this story because his children grew up in the city. When I look at his children, Andy, who is a university lecturer, and Akudo, who told her mother's line, she is a school principal, I feel bad because that would have been my children's fate if I did not spoil things with my own hands.
But Mama, why did you refuse to accept him? Why did you refuse to marry him?
I had a boyfriend then whom I loved so much with my whole heart.
And then what happened between the both of you?
He ran away to Cameroon with all the money both of us saved.
Oh.
Later I heard that he was pushing drugs and died untimely.
Hey. This is sad. This is so sad, Mama.
Very sad indeed.
Mama, with the way you are sounding, I can tell you still miss him.
Not exactly. I'm just being regretful of my actions. You know, most times, you don't know what you have until you lose it.
True.
Get out now.
I beg you. You might have to go to bring another man into your husband's house. So get out of the house. We don't have anything. Go. Follow that your man. Go. My husband. Ibai,
Are you still bothered?
Bothered? No.
You don't have to be.
No. My man.
You did the right thing. Thank God, though. She's a home.
A very big one.
Like, I've been expecting you to chase her out of this house.
And I did. That's how I should have brought a bastard here and called it my son.
I'm telling you. See, she's still outside there. We are not going to open the gate for her.
Never.
At all.
Never.
We will not do that. She should be there. She should be there. She should go and call all her boyfriends to come and
Sugar daddies. Don't mind her.
Baby, please, don't mind her. Don't let her bother you. Just tell me what am I going to prepare for you, because I just want to prepare a very nice dish for you.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Okwa.
Okwa it is. Okay. Just take care, okay?
Of course.
Relax.
Boo!
Baby.
Boo!
Baby.
Boo! Boo!
Chief! Rufus! Hello?
I love my husband.
Who is at the gate?
Daddy, Andy said he's ego.
Ego? By this time of the night?
He has gone to bring her in. Dad, what happens now? Because I will not allow this poor girl go back to that lion's den. I won't.
But for crying out loud, Ego is a married woman. Yes, just that she had a little misunderstanding with her husband.
What kind of little misunderstanding is that? No, answer me.
What kind of little misunderstanding will make him chase her out of the house by this time of the night? Now tell me. No, answer me. Can you do this to somebody else's daughter?
I can't, and you know I can't do it. So now tell me, are you encouraging that to take in someone's wife when you know that it's an abomination in this kingdom?
Well, Andy, I never said so. Well, Andy, I didn't say so. All I'm saying is that we can't keep watching that man maltreating her. Is it until he kills her?
Well, we'll take this matter to the Council of Elders and have their traditional opinion on this. Akudo, take her in, show her where to sleep for the night.
Ego, it's okay. Okay? It's okay. Come, let's go inside. Come here. Stop, just don't cry. It's okay.
You said little things.
But don't provoke me. The man like you that is
like mother, like daughter. Now like you're angry right now.
Ego, what do you have to say concerning the allegation leveled against you by your husband here?
By whose husband? Huh? By whose husband? This one. This witch, betrayer, pretender. Uncle, I've said it before. This witch is sleeping with father and son. Huh? I cannot continue the marriage. In fact, the marriage is over. Simple and brief.
Shut up, Ifeanyi. I say shut up. Kena adikudu konya chulo sonanlo. Eh? You are accusing your wife of a crime. Allow her to defend herself. Or have you lost it, Ifeanyi?
I've lost it.
Eh?
What does she want to defend? That I don't know? Are they not present here? Is she not having something to do with this man, Meruka Yemama?
Ifeanyi Chukwu.
Ego, please, forget him. Go ahead.
Thank you, my elders. You all have witnessed how Ifeanyi has been treating me in this village. Since I moved out of my parents' house to live with him. Ifeanyi does not give me money to take care of my woman needs.
Another lie. Another lie.
He calls me dirty. He calls me a dirty woman. He said I smell. He hates me. He beats me up. He doesn't want me to stay in the house yet. Whenever I go to my chicken pepper soup joint to sell for male customers, he beats me up. He fights them and accuses them of sleeping with me. You all have witnessed it. Not once, not twice.
Okay. Did you hear what this witch said? She is always selling to male customers. We know that women are more than men in this village. All her customers, all of them, are all men. Fato, Tino, Odo, Yongo, men. And I've asked her, change, if this business will be drawing you close to men, change your business. Let's look for maybe female clothes so that you just be having business or meeting with women. But hell no, she wants to sell pepper soup so that she can be sleeping with people with things like this.
Ifeanyi, keep quiet. Why do you hate this girl so much? Why do you hate her?
Because she's a
Please,
witch.
my dear, go ahead.
Stop!
And sit down.
Will you shut up? Lele.
Who is the husband?
Anumpa.
Eh? Kena adikudu kagane ye. Who knows you in this family? Eh? Who knows you in this family? Well, your time has not come.
Uncle, please. That's my wife you're talking to.
What are you saying? Which wife? Is that how to get married now? You marry without the notice of your kinsmen. Is it possible about it?
I've told you.
My husband, that was what brought good people like Chifume and his son to rescue me. I have not done anything wrong, I swear. I swear, I haven't done anything wrong.
Look at my daughter. You can imagine. Huh? You can imagine. Good people. Good people.
Calm
Look at his face.
down, I'm close to mother.
Pretender. Crocodile tears. Witch.
Fine,
Fine.
Sir.
Ego is the only wife that you have, we know.
Yes.
Point blank.
Okay. Okay, come and force me now.
Even though you are not legally married to her up to now, but it's still your wife.
Now you see why you're my favorite. You see, I used to tell you that this uncle here is my favorite. He says the truth. Uncle Shay, you know I've not done anything. Now you see, she's not my wife. She's not legally my wife. I've not done anything, so I can't call her my wife. So now that I don't want to do anything again, pack and go. Leave me in peace. Let me focus on something good.
Fine. Listen. Take her back as your wife.
Yes.
She is your wife. There is nothing you can do about it.
Uncle,
come and fulfill the righteousness.
Come and fulfill the righteousness. I go church. Let me just tell you the gospel truth. I don't have any business with this person. I will not marry this person. After this meeting, she's leaving my house. Simple and brief. Nobody will change my mind.
My elders, you people should beg Ifeanyi for me not to send me out of this house. I have not done anything wrong. I have not done anything wrong. Please.
You join them. Gunners, you are gunning.
It's okay.
It's
okay, good. It's okay. I don't know, does anyone else have something to say about this before we, the elders, conclude?
My elders, please may I?
You have the floor.
Okay.
Go ahead.
My elders, even from my family, we've watched Ego suffer maltreatment and dehumanization in the hands of this man she calls a husband. Before we came here, I told my father, Chifume here, that I will not take that again. I can't watch her suffer in the hands of this beast she calls a husband. And the reason I am yet to get him arrested is because I trust your judgment. He has made it clear to everyone here that he is no longer interested in her, and she is not his wife. So I am going to take it up from her. Ego, my family and I will take you in. We will take good care of you because, of course, I know my dad, my brother, and we're capable of taking good care of you.
We'll do that.
So we will do that, my elders, if you give us the go ahead.
Thank you, my daughter. You have spoken well. Please give us a moment to deliberate on this.
Chalo. My elders, what kind of judgment is that one? No, why are you people looking at me? What kind of judgment is that?
What's wrong with the judgment? Do you want to take her in? Do you have the resources to take good care of her? See people here that want to take care of her and you're still complaining. Let her go, Mama.
Thank you, my daughter. We asked if anyone had something to say in this issue. Susanna, you did not utter a word. Why are you upset now? Why?
My daughter, we have agreed. Let it be as you have said.
Yes.
And also, Chief, we thank you so much for honoring the invitation.
For breaking my home. Thank him. Thank you. For coming to my house.
And moreover, Mama, you were here when he said he's no longer interested in her. So why are you surprised?
I love my husband.
How could you be so shameless to have allowed Chief and his family to take your wife away? By the way, have you heard what they are calling that joke you call a wife?
Mama, please. Please. I wouldn't have you call my wife a joke.
The elders categorically said they don't know her. Oh. They don't know her. Is your relationship with her not a joke enough?
One more word from you, I will slap the living daylight out of you. Are you mad?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
You don't like hearing the truth.
If you don't have anything meaningful to say, you get out of this place.
If I joke, I am so ashamed of you. Very, very ashamed of you.
I'm equally ashamed of myself. Thank you.
What did I do to you? Why have you been rejecting me all this while?
Listen, Cynthia, nothing ever happened between us, right? Yes, and I want you to stop coming to my room. Should I need anything, please, drop it at the dining. Am I well understood? Have I made myself clear?
What did I do now? What did I do now? What did I do? What did I do?
Listen, it's not about what you did. It's about me. It's about what I want. And I don't think I need it anymore. Where's coming?
Chief, are you enjoying the food?
I love it. So delicious. Tomorrow you prepare that fresh chicken pepper soup for me.
Oh, okay, I will. I will. I will. Where did I eat?
I did not ask for oranges, did I?
No, Chief. This is the time you normally take your oranges.
Did I ask for it?
No, Chief.
Now listen. Next time, wait for others before you serve. Am I well understood?
Thank you, sir. Hello, Daddy. How are you doing today?
I'm smiling.
Of course, I can see that you do a lot of that lately. I'm happy that you're happy, Daddy. And I've noticed that things has really been moving so smoothly between Ego and you. Don't you think she is that woman you've always wanted to get married to?
Something I wanted to tell you. I'll soon make her my Bugatti.
I said it.
Bugatti. Dad. That's the name I will give her.
That Bugatti. What Bugatti are we talking about? And where is this one coming from, Dad?
I said, that's the name I will call her.
I knew it. I knew this was a ploy between you and Akudo.
What ploy? Your sister is a very intelligent, smart woman.
Really?
Yeah, we had a plan and she executed and played her part very well.
And you're even happy. I knew it. I knew it the moment that Udo got up to speak before me. Something told me it was that is speaking true.
You weren't wrong after all.
I have told you that this whole plan is no longer working. Even Chief doesn't even look at me anymore. Ever since that chicken pepper soup woman came, everything has changed. Huh? I'm listening. Wait. I don't get you. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? You mean I should set her up? We have to look for a way to clear this mess. I mean, you gave me idea. We failed. We have totally failed. You should come up with something better. Please, I'm not just buying this idea at all. I'm not. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So, Daddy.
So, two of you are ready to go?
Yes, Daddy. We're ready to go, and by the time we return, you look exactly like the Bugatti you wanted.
Can't wait. So how long will it take?
Say 5 hours from now.
5 hours?
Mm-hmm.
To be so long a time. I had wanted her to prepare my favorite chicken pepper soup. And now that you people are going away, who will do that for me?
Your favorite Cynthia will do that, of course.
Come on. Don't call that thing my favorite. In fact, by the time you will be back, you may not be meeting her again. Because I'm planning sending her away from here.
Daddy, you're just so unbelievable. Well, it's your thing. You can do whatever you want. But as for us, we have to leave now. So see you soon, Daddy.
All right, Chief. Let's go. Bye.
Eh? So you want to send me out because of that chicken pepper soup woman, right?
How dare you talk to me in such a manner?
I will talk to you the way I like. What?
Dad, what's going on here? And you, Cynthia, how dare you shout and talk back at my dad? Is something wrong with you?
Now leave my side.
Dad, what's going on?
Oh, well, I don't think we'll be needing her anymore. We now have her go.
Really? But, though that is right, too. But I thought you had plan of marrying Ego. Or do you intend marrying her and turn her into a housewife?
Ego is hardworking. She can cope until we find a better maid. Not the likes of Cynthia, who has started showing signs of stupidity. You just watched what she did now.
Right, Dad. There is no problem. Just know that we, your children, got your back. We are standing right behind you. Whatever you want, we will give you the support.
Thank you.
And then as for what she did, don't let that bother you, okay?
Oh, well, she's so infinitesimal.
I understand. All right, now let me go back. I hope you're good.
Oh, I'm okay.
Dorcas! Dodo! Dodo! Dodo!
Dorcas! Why are you shouting my name like a mad dog? What is it? What is it?
I went into the kitchen and can't find food. Where is my food?
Isn't it obvious?
I don't understand. Obvious that what? That there is no food. Didn't I give you money when I was going out?
And I asked you to give me money for my hair. What did you say?
I said that money for hair will come soon. Let me cook first. The house first. Wait a minute. Oh. Are you comparing food, Nikwa, to hair? What is hair?
Yes. I like looking good. Okay? I even have to starve myself to look good. You expect me to be like Ego, your wife. If I was looking like an old woman, will you come for me?
What has being tattered got to do with food? I gave you money. All this debate, I don't understand. My hard-earned money. Huh? What are you talking about? Huh? I'm talking about food. You're talking about... There's what you call scale of preference. Your hair can wait. Food can't. Food is the reason we survive. What do you mean by what is hair? All right, give me the money. Let me go and look for food to buy since you don't want to cook. It happens. Just let me have the money. I don't understand. What reaction is that? You've used the money. Give me. Let me have my money. Ever since I married the ego...
Please. Don't you ever mention that name again. Not all the time, ego. If ego was that good, then why do you send her away? No, tell me. Why did you send her away? Please. Don't you ever again compare me with anybody. Please. I beg you. If she was that good, why will you send her away? Tell me. Why will you send her away? So please. I am tired of ego this, ego that. Ever since I married you, ego will have been the one. Please, I beg you. Wait. Don't compare me with anybody.
Wait, Dorcas. Aren't you the reason I sent ego away? Wait. Have you forgotten that you're the reason I sent her away? What do you mean by what are you talking about? Can I have the money, please?
If I do know what? I don't have time for this your nonsense.
You don't have time for this nonsense. What? You won't give me my money. You go down now. Yahoo in my house. Leave that nonsense you're talking about. Give me my money.
If I give my hair.
Give me my money. Look, you think I don't know what they say? It's not Bow Street. Oh, yeah, now. Give me my money. What, you want to do house Yahoo? On me? Family Yahoo? Should I go? Are you giving me money or not? I'm heading straight to Arena Market. Are you giving me?
Yeah, what is it? I will. Just allow me to rest.
What has witchcraft got to do with this, baby? Huh? You've been denying me for some days now. Allow me to take my to do the needful.
Do what? I'm sorry, you cannot take care of a woman yet. Eh? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Just let me be, please.
Wait, I don't understand. What has being ashamed got to do with this? What is all this now, baby? Huh? Please now.
So let me tell you, after I'm not your wife, so let me be. Tell me, do you know any member of my family? No, tell me. Do you know any member of my family?
No, tell me. I will know them.
You will know them?
With time.
Huh? Okay, so don't worry, you cannot take care of a woman yet. Till you see my family or know any of them. Just allow me to pick up. My hands, okay?
What did she did to you? Leave her, woman bitter.
Wow, I can't believe my eyes.
I can't believe it myself.
I love this your hair.
Cynthia, please, please, can you help me check the yam on the fire? I want to make 100 yam.
Eh? As what? Do I look like your maid? Hi! That chief stole you from your ex-husband's house and now wants to marry you. That doesn't make me your maid. Do you understand? Come back here. How dare you? Udwa, please, Udwa, please, don't do this.
Let me deal with
stop
this
it.
girl.
I don't want trouble, please. Please, it's okay. Leave her, just leave her. Next, please. Next time, mind the way you talk to people.
It's fine, please.
It's okay.